Hello and happy Easter, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 274 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you. We have reached another milestone. That's right, my friends. We have reached 9,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Many thanks again, everybody, for watching. I am so grateful. Now we're on to the big 10K. Are you looking for a great holiday ham to serve for Easter, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas? Y'all will fall in love with my peanut butter glazed ham. It is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And wait until you taste that peanut butter glaze. It's going to be heavenly. It would be a great addition to your holiday dinner. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my honey baked ham recipe. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your peanut butter and your ham sugar, because we're about to bake some peanut butter glazed ham magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my pan I have a 10-pound bone-in ham that I washed and patted dry, and it's untrimmed. So all we do now is put it in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 2 hours. And while that's baking, we can get started on our peanut butter glaze. Alright, my friends, in my blender, we're going to add in 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 clove of garlic that I chopped, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and last but not least, the star of the show, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. So now I'm going to close it, and we're going to blend everything until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing the peanut butter glaze. See how simple and easy it was, and it only called for 5 ingredients. And the best part about this glaze, no seasoning required. And it smells so good. I can smell the peanut butter and the chicken stock. So now we're going to set the glaze aside. Alright, my friends, this is what the ham looked like after 2 hours. And it smells good up in this kitchen. So now all we do is brush the peanut butter glaze all over the ham. Oh yeah, baby. Looks pretty. In fact, we're just gonna splatter it all over it. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna put it back in the oven, the same temperature, 325, and we're gonna continue baking for additional 20 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Peanut butter glazed ham. Look at that beautiful beauty. Doesn't that look magnificent? Alright, so now we're going to let the ham rest for 15 minutes, and then I'll cut it up and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Look at that glaze. It's so tender and juicy. Ooh, that peanut butter glaze is out of this world delicious. Has a great balance of sweet and savory. Please give this recipe a try. This would definitely be a hit for any holiday or special occasion. Peanut butter glazed hamlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I want to wish all of you a happy Easter.